Okay, we have a 50 amp circuit breaker for our condensing unit. Our condensing unit is not exactly level. Okay, we have a 50 amp breaker for it. It's a 5-ton system. It's 50 amps. Let's see what we can do here. While we're at it, utilities, level, measures, no. There we go. Is that 2 degrees? How is that 0 degrees? Well, that just doesn't make sense, does it? And that's 2 degrees? Huh. Okay. Well, if I get a different measurement, I'll make a different note. 1-year-old 454 refrigerant, 5 tons, 50 amp fuse. Everything in regard to the exterior is pretty much textbook. You know, it doesn't account for operations.